Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to finally get a grip on your monthly subscriptions and stop worrying about forgotten charges? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through building your very own subscription tracker inside Notion using a free professional template. By the end, you'll have a tracker that looks sharp, keeps everything organized, and is totally personalized to your needs. No coding, no stress. All right, let's jump straight in. For speed and a polished look, we're going to use the free subscription tracker template already available in Notion. Trust me, templates are lifesavers when you want to get set up quickly, and Notion's built-in templates are designed by pros, so your tracker will look clean and professional from the get-go. First, open Notion and look up to the top left corner of the page. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. Go ahead and click that. It opens up more options. Think of this as opening the door to all the customization features Notion offers. Now look for the option labeled Browse Templates. This is where the magic happens. Take your time here, especially if you haven't tried templates in Notion before. There are tons to choose from for all kinds of projects. Type Subscription Tracker into the search bar. You'll probably see a few variations. Notion's template library is pretty robust, and sometimes people create their own versions and share them too. Take a moment to look at the ones that catch your eye. Maybe you prefer a minimalist style, or maybe you like seeing icons and colors to help break up the information. Hover over each template and check out the previews. Remember, you can always tweak the layout later, so don't stress too much about picking the perfect one right now. Once you've found the one you want, click Add. Notion's going to drop that template right into your workspace. Give it a few seconds to load, especially if your internet's a little slow today. When it pops up, you'll see a ready-made table or database, usually with columns for the subscription name, cost, renewal date, and maybe categories like entertainment or software. Here, where you make it your own. Start by clicking into the first slot and adding a subscription you currently have. Maybe it's Netflix, maybe it's that design tool you use for work. Enter the details, the monthly cost when it renews, and add any notes you find helpful. You can personalize this area to track things like the payment method or even set reminders for when those annual subscriptions roll around, so you're never caught off guard. If you want to customize even further, Notion makes it super easy. Click on any column header to rename it, add new columns, or change how the information sorts and displays. For example, if you want to track both business and personal subscriptions separately, you could add a category field or use tags. Maybe you'd like your tracker to show totals or alert you when a renewal is coming up. Take a few moments to experiment. Notion's drag-and-drop interface keeps things friendly, even if you're brand new to databases. And just like that, you've built a subscription tracker that's neat, comprehensive, and designed to save you money and headaches in the long run. You'll never lose track of those sneaky monthly charges again. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Got a question or want help customizing your tracker even more? Drop your question down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more Notion tutorials and productivity tips, make sure to subscribe. I've got plenty more walkthroughs coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.